The ATO has your SMSF in its sights. An audit is not a matter of if, but when. And when that letter arrives, it feels like a declaration of war. They want to find something. They want to penalise you. They want to make an example of you. In this episode, I'm going to show you the secret checklist the auditors use, what they're really looking for, and how to build a fortress around your fund so they find absolutely nothing. Welcome to SMSF Insider, where we help busy professionals to gain financial independence using an SMSF. Hi, I'm Troy, founder of Blue Chip SMSF Services, and over the last 20 years, I've helped thousands of Aussies manage the complexities of self-managed super funds. And in this podcast, I'll answer your questions, break down the myths, so you can take charge of your financial freedom. Let's get into it. All right, let's dive in. First, let's be clear about one thing. Your annual SMSF audit is not the same as an ATO audit. Every year, your fund must be audited by an independent SMSF auditor. Their job is to check your compliance and report any breaches to you and to the ATO. This is standard, this is routine. An ATO audit is different. This is the tax office itself deciding to put your fund under a microscope. They are not there to help you, they are there to find mistakes. So what triggers an ATO audit? Late lodgements. If you're consistently late lodging your annual returns, you are waving a giant red flag at the ATO. Unusual investments. If your fund suddenly invests in something strange like art, wine, or a private company with no track record, the ATO's computers will flag it for review. Related party transactions. If you're lending money to family members or leasing property to your own business, you are walking through a minefield. Auditor contravention reports. If your independent auditor reports a breach, you go straight to the top of the ATO's hit list. They are watching, and they are usually waiting for you to make a mistake. So what happens when you get chosen? First, you get the letter. It arrives in a crisp white envelope with the ATO logo on it. Your heart will stop. The letter will inform you that your fund has been selected for an audit. It will assign an auditor to your case, and it will give you a list of documents they want to see. This is not a negotiation, it is a demand. They will want everything. Your trust deed, bank statements for every account, investment statements, property valuations, lease agreements, meeting minutes. They will demand explanations, and they will keep digging until they find what they're looking for. So what are they looking for? Here is the secret checklist they use. The sole purpose test. Is your fund being run for the sole purpose of providing retirement benefits? Or are you using it to get a pre-retirement benefit, like living in a property owned by the fund? This is the cardinal sin of SMSFs. In-house assets. Have you loaned more than 5% of your fund's assets to a related party? This is the most common breach, and the ATO is ruthless about it. Loans to members. Have you borrowed money from your SMSF? This is almost always illegal. They will find it. Just quickly, guys, if you're a busy professional, fed up with traditional super funds and overwhelmed by the setup of your SMSF, we can help. Book in a call with my team using the link in the show notes, and let's build your future on your terms. Now, back to the episode. Asset valuations. Are your assets valued correctly at market value? Or are you using an old valuation to hide a gain or loss? They will check. Separation of assets. Are your fund's assets kept completely separate from your personal assets, or are you mixing them? This is a huge red flag. They are looking for these 5 breaches, and if they find one, the consequences are severe. If the ATO finds a breach, they have a range of penalties they can apply. Fines. They can fine you personally as the trustee. These fines can be thousands of dollars, and you cannot pay them from the fund. Disqualification. They can disqualify you from being a trustee of an SMSF ever again. Non-compliance status. This is the death penalty. They can declare your fund non-compliant and tax the entire fund, every single dollar at 45%. They can wipe out half your retirement savings in an instant. They are not messing around. They want to make an example of you to scare everyone else into compliance. So how do you protect yourself? How do you build a fortress around your fund? It comes down to one thing: being audit ready from day one. Keep impeccable records. Every transaction, every decision, every document. Keep it organised. Keep it accessible. If the ATO asks for a document, you should be able to produce it in minutes, not days. Get professional advice before you act. Don't make an investment and then ask your accountant if it was okay. Ask them first. A 5-minute phone call can save you from a 5-figure fine. Use the right software. Modern SMSF administration software tracks everything in real time. It flags potential breaches before they happen. It makes record keeping automatic. An audit should be a boring, routine event. If your records are perfect and your fund is compliant, the auditor will find nothing and they will move on. This is the difference between a specialist and a generalist. A general accountant does your SMSF audit once a year. A specialist lives in this world every single day. At Blue Chip, we build your fund to be audit-proof from the start. We use the best software, we keep meticulous records, and we advise our clients on compliance before they make a move. If one of our clients gets an audit letter, we don't panic. We handle it. We provide the ATO with everything they need. We make the process so boring and professional that the auditor has no choice but to close the file and move on. So to wrap this one up, just keep in mind an ATO audit could be coming. It might not be this year, it might not be next year, but it's coming. You can either live in fear of that letter or you can get prepared. Build your fortress, keep good records, get specialist advice. And if you want an SMSF administrator who will build that fortress for you, visit our website. The link is in the show notes. Don't wait for the letter. Prepare for it. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of SMSF Insider. If you got value from this, make sure you subscribe so you never miss the strategies we share to help you take control of your financial future. Find us on socials at Blue Chip SMSF or book a call with our team to see if we can help you.